Hello everyone, welcome to the Navodaya Nation channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about mirror image related mental ability questions. Let us move on to the question answer section. In this question, as you can see, mirror is placed on the right hand side of the question figure and asked us to find out the answer of the mirror image of the question figure. Okay, and there will be four answer given and one of them is the mirror images of the question figure. Okay, so before solving I will give you some tips and tricks. So in mirror image, whatever the object appears on the left hand side, it will be changed to the right hand side, and whatever the object appear on the right hand side, it will be appears on the left hand side. So that means left hand right hand side of the object interchange happens, but top and bottom parts may not change, and that will be the constant. Okay, so and another thing, the diagonals whatever appear on the actual object, it will appear on the opposite side of the diagonal. Okay, if this appears here, the in mirror image it will appear on the opposite side. Okay, let us try to solve this question. Okay, okay, I'm just drawing a square and here, so these two lines are same here. All right, so diagonal it should appear on the opposite side in the mirror. Okay, all right, the object arrow it appears on the right side in the mirror. So as it appears on the left side, so in mirror it appears on the right hand side. So here this object is appears on the right hand side and it should appear on the left hand side. Okay, all right, so it appears here. And other thing, as you can see here, the object which is nearer to the mirror, it appears nearer in the mirror image also. See, it appears on the mirror side. Okay, here it appears on the mirror side, here also it appears on the mirror side. Okay, these are the few tricks and tracks to solve the mirror image related question. Okay, here the matching figure is this one is, as you can see, yes, C is the right answer. All right, so let us move on to the next question. So here in this question also, let us try to use previous tricks and tracks and solve the mirror image related question. Okay, so I drew here square and let us draw four quadrant. These four quadrants may not change. Okay, so here this diagonal appears here, it will appears on the opposite side. Okay, so straightforward. So here this circle appears on the right hand side of the square, it should go to left hand side. So left hand side means where exactly, this side or this side? So that also you can predict here. Here in presently it is on the left hand side, so in this it will be appear on the right hand side. Okay, this place. All right, and below figure, so this figure appears on this side of the quadrant, so it should be in mirror, it should appear on the right hand side. So right hand side where exactly, this side or this side? So that is, you can predict like this, it is currently on the right hand side and it should go to left hand side, so it is on the left hand side. So this is the mirror image. All right, so the matching figure for this is option C. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Okay, in this question also, here mirror is placed on the right hand side and let us draw the square here. Okay, so here the object appears on the right hand side, it should appear on the left hand side, and also the diagonal appearing on this side, it will appear on the opposite side. Okay, so opposite side, and this part is also the left hand side object, it should come to right hand side here. All right, so again this part appears on the opposite diagonal. Okay, let us say this is the diagonal and the left hand side, this rectangle should appear here. Okay, all right, so this arrow goes to left hand side. Okay, all right, so whichever figure having this type of image is the right mirror image answer. Okay, here the option D, which is exactly matching to the mirror image. Okay, let us move on to the next question. So in this question also, so mirror is placed on the right hand side of the object. Let us draw the square. Okay, so here whatever appears on the left hand side arrow, it should appear on the right hand side. So I am drawing same thing. Okay, so this circle is on this side, and here the top and bottom parts remain unchanged, so I am writing as usual. So here this right hand side rectangle should appear on the left hand side. All right, so this side is nothing, and the downside it may not change, it will be as usual in mirror. Okay, so remember that upside downside objects may not changes, it is a constant in the mirror image. All right, so the matching figure for this is option D. Let us move on to the next section. Here in this section we provided answer keys. You can compare your answers here. Okay, thank you for watching.